Hello, my Foxies. This is Foxy by Nature from Girl You Foxy. And guess what? It's that time to open up our Izzy and Liv brown sugar box for the month of August. And yes, I am so excited to be able to share this with you. What Izzy and Liv is, it's a monthly subscription box where you receive at least 5 items in there. It could be anything between makeup, clothing items, jewelry, whatever it is that's catered to us as African American women to inspire us. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to jump right in because I am excited to see what I got in my box. So here we go. This is the box. What it looks like this month. She has a little yellow shirt and she's got her afro thing going on there. That is so cute. Okay, so we're gonna open up the box and see. The first thing that I always review in the box or pull out is the monthly magazine that they have. In the monthly magazine, the theme this month is Fall Refresher. So they're going to, I guess, refresh us for the fall of what we can wear or whatever it is that they have inside. So it's exciting to be able to have them give us some ideas on what we can do to refresh us with our clothing or makeup or whatever it may be. It also lists in there the items that you receive in the box and kind of gives you an idea of what the cost of those products are. So the first item that we have in the box, I'm grabbing it with my eyes closed. Let's see what we got. Okay, it's something from Izzy and Liv. I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to open it up. It's called Izzy and Liv Culture, Confidence, and Soul. So we're going to open this up. And it looks like some type of contraption. And let's see if they explain what it is. Looks like some type of stand of some sort. It's got different pieces. And it gives you, I guess, a little tool to put it together. Okay, so we're going to check it out in the book to see what it is. It says something, it says give her, let's see. Give her props, phone stand. So that's what it is. And the retail value of it is $10. And it comes in 5 different colors, ladies. And I actually got the yellow phone stand. So that'll be exciting to put together. And I actually just kind of put my little desk together. And I do need a phone stand to put on my desk to set my phone up. What a perfect time for that. And it retails for $10. Okay. The next item in the box, let's see what we got here. It's a little small little package. And it looks like some buttons. I dropped one. Went somewhere, but we get 5 buttons. And they have some little African American doll ladies on there. Different ones. Oh, how cool is that? So we have buttons. I haven't worn buttons since I was in high school, but we'll figure out where we're going to put these and style these. Now, the buttons, I don't see anything in the bag, so this must be a replacement item or something in the bag, in the subscription box. So we have some buttons, which I think are really, really cute. Now, the next item in the Izzy and Liv box, it looks like I got some pins. How cool is that? I've never had pins that actually like represent us, you know? So this is really, really exciting. Now, the pins, I don't see anything in here either about the pins, unless I'm overlooking something. So we have our pins. going to take one of them out just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. They're in there pretty good. They're tied in there really good. So you have some pins with some little lady, African American ladies on the pin. Okay. And it looks like it's blue ink. So, just so you know, this particular one, it has blue ink for some pins. Perfect for my desk. I just put my desk together. What? This is just right on time. Right on time for me. Okay, so I have some nice pins, buttons, and a phone stand for my desk. How exciting is that? Now, the next item in the Izzy and Liv box. Let's open this up. Cool. A pair of glasses. Now, they're not sunglasses. Oh, they might be a little bit sunglasses. Might be a little shade to it. Okay. Actually, let's put that on. Let's see what they look like. Go ahead and take that sticker off. Put some shade. Put these glasses on. Oh, wow. Cool. Kind of makes me look a little, you know, educated. Look smart, you know. How cool is that? So we have some glasses. Now, the glasses, put my other glasses on so I can see. The glasses actually retail for $18, and they come in 3 different shades or styles. Okay, it's called Something to Smize About Blue Light Glasses. They're blue light glasses. Take the stress off of your eyes and try on these stylish specs. The Something to Smize About Blue Light Glasses is an essential accessory for all of your digital browsing. Oh, okay. The blue light lenses are handy in reducing the harmful effects of extended screen use. You'll receive one of 3 styles with a soft string pouch case. Oh, so this is perfect for the computer. I just thought it was just some basic glasses that were clear. You know how back in the day you used to put on glasses, but they weren't prescription. But these are actually glasses that you can put on to help reduce the rays that you get from your computer. So I think that is so cool. But in order for me to see the computer, I have to have on my readers, and then maybe I can put these over it. Okay. All right, all right. Okay, so that is perfect. And those glasses actually retail for $18. All righty. Okay. Now, the next item in the Izzy and Liv box, got something big in there this time. It is 12-piece lipstick set. How cool is that? You know, I love makeup. If you can't tell already, you know, I always get on here with almost a full glam look. So we're going to open this up and see what our lipstick shades look like. Comes in this cool little box. Let's see how to open it. And it just kind of opens up like this. And it has the shades and the colors listed at the top, so that way we know what colors we have. And wow, they each come in their own little box or 2 of lipstick. Okay, so I want to try one of these actually. So I have on today like a peachy blue color, so I want to kind of put on something that kind of brings that out a little bit. So let's see what color I should pick. I'm going to go ahead and pick this pink color right here. Now I already have some lip liner on my lips, so I'm going to try this particular shade. Now let me see if it can tell me which shade this is. This is shade I'm on the Way Matte. That's the shade I'm trying on today. I'm on the Way Matte. So I took that off. We're going to open that up. Oh, that's a pretty, pretty pink. Let's try that on. Oh. It goes on smooth, I have to say. It's not dry. at all. It's actually pretty moisturizing. That color, actually, I really like it. Okay, so there you have it. Our matte liquid lipsticks, well, they're not liquid, they're just lipsticks. That retails for $50, and you get a total of 12 different shades of lipstick. And I like the colors in there because they're various colors, and there's probably colors in there that I wouldn't normally wear, but I'm going to give them a shot and try something different and go outside of the box. Like, I don't know about wearing these different blue colors, but I'm going to try that. And I'm going to post some reviews and makeup looks with some of those different bold colors that I may be reluctant to wear, because you just never know. Just go ahead and try some new stuff. Probably will be really, really cute. So there you have it. That's retails for $50. Okay. Now, the last and final item, and you guys know, we always get either some type of a clothing item or a t-shirt. And this month we got a t-shirt again. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see what our t-shirt theme is this month. And the t-shirt says, sophisticated, educated, melanated. How cool is that? And I like the sleeves that it has on there. It's kind of a sporty kind of looking sleeve. Really cute. I like the gray color. And educated is in like a gold type of font. And it kind of stands out. And also the crown is this kind of a gold look to it. So I'll do, at the end of the video, of course, you know I'm going to do my try on so you guys can see what this looks like on. Okay. So there you have it. We have our items. We have a t-shirt. We have our cool glasses. We have our cool desk pins or pins or whatever you want to use. We also have some buttons. Got 5 buttons. And we got that cool desk phone stand for our desk. So there you have it. Those 4 items. I want to take the time to thank you guys for joining and watching me open my Izzy and Liv box. And I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. Over and out. Peace.